Hello everyone, welcome to iKeynote. Today, let me introduce how to use this OPS for our interactive flat panel. First of all, we need to put this OPS into the side of the screen. And here there is an OPS slot here, and we will put the OPS into the slot. Then open the screen. First way, we can choose the sidebar and click this small arrow. Finally, choose the OPS. Then it will be the Windows system. And we also have other way. The second way, we can use this tool and choose this pattern-like computer. Choose it. You can open it directly, and it is more convenient. The third way, we can open setting and choose the individualization and open the negative screen. And here you can put any application to the negative screen. For example, I choose the OPS to here and back to the home screen. And then you just can use one finger to slide from right to the left, like this. It's more convenient. The final way, we also can choose the individualization and shortcut and the custom gesture. And here you can choose some ways to slide your finger to open the OPS. For example, I choose the front top. Choose the OPS and then back to the screen. And then you can use your three fingers from up to down. Like this. Okay, hope these four ways could be helpful for your future operation. Thanks for your watching.